Titanic movie. Conjunctions or connectors. Part 2 of 10. Titanic movie. Choose the correct answer, Part 2 of 10. Rose had a wealthy life, blank. She still felt unhappy. Yet, so, after the ship hit an iceberg, blank, it began to fill with water. Yet, so, before people tried to get on lifeboats, blank, the ship sank. After, before, as Jack and Rose danced happily, blank, the big disaster. Yet, before, as Rose watched, blank, Jack drew her picture. Yet, so, as pause the video. Find your answers. Play the video to cross-check. Titanic movie. Answer key, Part 2 of 10. Rose had a wealthy life, yet she still felt unhappy. Reason, yet shows a contrast or a surprising fact, similar to but. The ship hit an iceberg, so it began to fill with water. Reason, so shows a result. The iceberg hit, as a result the ship filled with water. People tried to get on lifeboats before the ship sank. Reason, before shows that one action happened earlier than another. Jack and Rose danced happily before the big disaster. Reason, before shows that one event happened earlier than another. Rose watched as Jack drew her picture. Reason, as shows two actions happening at the same time.